Next up, we're on to the main course. So, we've got some delicious local lamb from the Ludlow Farm Shop. Some carlin pea and saffron kind of mash. Some soy and agave salsa verde. A bit of CSONS dressing, some Lane cottage leaves, and some tomato and anchovy salsa. First off, we're going to get the lamb and the carlin pea mash kind of getting hot. Lamb, just go straight in the pan. There's a nice bit of gravy in there which will help you heat it up. Goes on a medium kind of heat, not too hot. Next up, the peas. They're a bit like reheating refried beans. So we'll add a bit of water just to get that going. Okay, so everything's getting hot now, bubbling away nicely. So first of all, let's empty our salad. Into there. Yeah, I always like just a tiny little sprinkle of nice salt. I'll put the vinaigrette on, but I won't mix it just yet. I'll do that right at the end. First up. I will just put a little well in the middle just to catch all the gravy. So next, toss my salad through. Put that on one side. Now I might as well use that same bowl and get my tomato and anchovy kind of salsa in there. And put that on top. And finally, our delicious salsa verde.